Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Windows 11 drivers. So firstly, on your search bar here, okay, go to settings, type in settings and go to your settings. Open up your settings. And once you're in your settings here, click on your update and security option here. And then once you get to this, your Windows update screen here. So on your left side here, you got Windows update, just click on it. And then here, you will see if there is any update for your Windows. If there is an update for your Windows, you're going to click on check for updates and look for any updates. If there's an updates, update your Windows, because once you update the window, that will also essentially update any outdated drivers and everything. So like everything will be updated, including the drivers. So it's an easy way to update all your drivers, okay, by just updating your Windows. Okay, alternatively, and on top of this, what you can do, you can go to, again, on your search bar here, type in device manager. Okay, type in device manager and go to your device manager. Once you go to your device manager here, what you can do, you will get to here, all your device and their related drivers are here. So you can, if you are manually, if you want to like manually after a driver which you want to update, for example like a Bluetooth driver, so you can simply click on it and then you have the drivers here. And then what you're going to do is simply like select the one, right click on it and hit on update driver and then update it. Okay, or if you are looking for like any other particular ones, you can do the same thing, select it and then right click on the driver, hit on update driver. Or if you are like not looking for any particular driver, you just want to like you would update all the drivers, then you can just simply go to each one of these component here and check if there is any updates. If there's an update, there will be a little mark here, exclamation mark there, saying which is like outdated or something. You can in that case, you can just right click on that driver and then hit on update driver. So you can simply manually go through each one of these slots here and then update your driver. Okay, and that's basically how you can update the drivers.